Hello friends, welcome to my channel Guru Mantra. My name is Guru Raj. Today we will discuss how to select the stocks for intraday trading. There are so many steps to decide which stocks we would like to start for shortlist for the intraday trading. So here with I would like to record some of them to make it easy for us to go ahead and shortlist the stock for intraday trading. As you can see here, uh, first of all, what we will discuss is what we have to avoid. What are the things we should stay away from? The first thing is we should avoid volatile stocks. Volatile stocks, in the sense, what I mean to say, the stocks which are very volatile. Suddenly, the fluctuation is very high in those stocks. Those stocks we should stay away from those stocks because sometimes you may your even you will your stop loss will not get hit and you may incur some losses. So that is the reason we can avoid some volatile stocks. Then avoid illiquid stocks. What are illiquid stocks? When we say illiquid stocks are those where the volume is very less compared to the normal stocks, normal volume. If volume is very less, we can stay away from such stocks. Avoid going against the market trend, and or we can say a sector trend. Now, for example, market is bullish, the total entire market is bullish, then try to select such stocks only which are bullish. Don't try to short anything. And that is we are going against it is as good as we are going against the trend, and which may end up in some disastrous stock selections. Then same way we can say, like, if the market is going down, you can short the stocks instead of buying the stocks. Uh, this way you can avoid going against the trend. Now, how to do all these things? Definitely, these most of these things, most of the people are aware. But how we can do all these things? How we can select the stocks? So it is always better to select F&O stocks, or we can say Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 200 stocks, max to max. These stocks will definitely have a very good volatility, very good volume and liquidity. That is the reason I suggest, it is my individual point of view, that we can select Nifty 50, 100 or F&O stocks. Now, once shortlisted the stocks, then cross-check with the respective sector. For example, suppose I have selected a Nifty IT stock or Nifty, suppose pharma stocks or any other stocks for that matter. Now, what I have to do is I have to cross-check with a sector index. Like Nifty, what is Nifty IT index is doing? Whether it is going up or going down. What is Nifty pharma index? If suppose I have selected a pharma stock, then what is Nifty pharma index? Whether it is going up or going down, then accordingly we can shortlist our stocks. Always we can start with a small quantity or a small portion of a capital. Like suppose I have a capacity to buy suppose 500 quantity, but it is better to start with only 100 quantity. Then we will understand, once we can we get a grip of all these things, we can increase the quantity. If the risk and reward ratio is not in our favor, it is always better to stay away from the trade. Simply, like, risk to reward ratio. What is risk to reward ratio? Most of us we know. And suppose our stop loss is 10 rupees and we are getting 20 rupees, or say stop loss is 100 rupees and we the profit expectations are 200 rupees. The target is 200 rupees at least. That is 1 is to 2 at least, what I'm talking about. So if it is not there, then it is of no use, because suppose consecutive 10 trades, if you take 10 trades with a risk to reward ratio as 1 is to 2, and out of that, if I my accuracy is only 50%, getting my point, still I end up in a profit. But suppose risk to ratio reward ratio is 1 is to 1 or less than that, then even if my consistency is more than 50-60%, still I end up losing money. So risk to reward ratio is always important. So you can select, if it is more than 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, whatever, then definitely we can go ahead with that. Maintain strict stop loss as per the risk and reward. So it is always, I have seen or I have done these things. When I buy at certain level and then my stop loss, suppose I buy at 1000 rupees and my stop loss is 980 rupees. Once it comes to 980 rupees, I just wait for some time, thinking that okay, from here it may go up, so let me wait for some time. Then stocks goes to 975, then I say okay, let it come to at least 980, then I will exit. then it goes to 970. Then I feel no, no, at least let it come to 975, then I will exit, and so on. So it keeps denting, and we keep losing money. So we should always have a strict stop loss, whether you keep it in your mind, whether you keep it on in the system, it is up to you. There are so many things, like some people say it should not be, you should not enter it in a system, because of the stop loss hunting you will lose your stop loss, your stop loss will get hit and you lose your money. So no, no problem. You can keep it in your mind, but you should be in front of a system, and keep it in your mind and exit very strictly as per the risk to reward. Whatever is stop loss, you should exit. Now this is also important. Bring down the short list of stocks by process of elimination. Suppose you have selected Nifty 50 stocks or Nifty 100 stocks, whatever stocks you have selected. Now once you start doing intraday, you will understand that what is happening in these stocks. So if you keep doing over a period of some time, then you should know that these are the stock I should stay away from, these are the stock I can do intraday, or I should not do, or I should do whatever. So this way you can shortlist the stocks and keep only few number of stocks in your watch list which you should do intraday. Because by doing the same stocks again and again, you will have a grip, will know the important levels, pivot levels, support levels, resistance levels, all those things will be in your mind, and it will be easy for you to take the trade. So you can do these things. Now following are some of the indicators which will be helpful for us if we are doing a intraday. Like first is volume chart. Volume chart is what we can say is um, last few days volume should be positive. What is last few days volume should be positive? It means it should be increasing. If you are buying, then it should be increasing. It should be green. It should be in a positive trend. RSI. Second is RSI. A daily RSI should be above 50 and going upward. This is one of the very good indicator. RSI is relativity strength index. So when there is a strength, then only it will go up fast. And we are talking about intraday. So we need that move within an intraday, not in 2 days, or not in 4 days, or not in 5 days. So RSI is very important. RSI should be very strong. ADX should be positive. Pivot points, use support and resistance for your entry and exit. So when pivot points are there, whatever pivot points, supports, resistance, all those things we can use, so that we can enter at our support or a breakout, or we can exit at a resistance. This way, what it will help us to keep the smaller stop loss, or sometimes what happens, I buy at 1000 rupees, example again. So 1000 rupees, and resistance I can see very clearly is at 1050 rupees. But what happens, because I have not seen the chart, just I have entered, it has gone to 1050 and I have not exited there. Again, it comes down from there, because at the resistance definitely there will be some pressure, selling pressure. So again it will come to my original price, and I keep waiting what happens next, and whatever profit I was about to make, I lose that profit also. So we should know where is the support, where are the resistance, or we can use the ready-made charts. Like there are so many websites available. Trading view is there, charting is there, investing is there, so many available, where we can just select the ready-made shortlisting indicators, and we can shortlist accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.